The original Equal-i-zer hitch is completely American made. We are very proud to say that. Today we're going to take a brief tour of the manufacturing facility here in Provo, Utah to show where all the Equal-i-zers are made, from the raw material to the finished product. Every week we have American steel delivered right to our facility. This is where the steel is unloaded and stored before the manufacturing process begins. Everything from the steel for the yellow pins down to the steel for our shanks. The steel is then off to be cut. Or punched to the right size. This is our robot welder, where right now our hitch heads are being welded together. The shanks, heads, and the arms then go into a tumbler for a thorough cleaning. Afterwards, they come out all smooth and free from debris. Once cleaned, each part is painted and hung to dry. After the parts are dried, then the stickers are applied. The hitch arms and the head are boxed up with the included hardware. And then put on a pallet to be sent to distributors all over the United States and Canada. We've produced the American-made Equal-i-zer hitch for over 50 years now, so families can enjoy the safety of its superior performance. This is Rob with the original Equal-i-zer sway control hitch. Hope you've enjoyed the tour.